So here we are on the Pepe meme coin. I'm sure you guys have heard about this. And this has been getting a lot of new generation hype recently. And Pepe exploded in popularity in 2023 and is still riding that high momentum. A lot of people love Pepe. I've been hearing a lot about this coin and what its functionalities are. You can check them out there as well. You can look at all this cool stuff. And I really think that it's going to do well in 2025. Obviously, a lot of people are getting a little more serious behind meme coins because of their future applications, their future utility, and what they can and cannot do. So I'm pretty excited for that. You can check more out about it here on the screen. Very cool stuff. Now, it also has a lot of viral power, which is driven by meme, TikTok, and crypto Twitter as well. It also has a high return on investment for early buyers, created millionaires in weeks during its rise, okay? It also has cool exchange listings, quickly listed on major exchanges like Binance and OKX, which I think is awesome as well. So what makes it unique is it's community-driven, no pre-sale, no dev tokens. So it has all those awesome features as well. So I recommend checking out Pepe as well in 2025. It should do pretty good. You could see all the information there on the website that we just went over. Everything is here that you need to know about Pepe.